You understand the course fire?
Of course.
Alright.
Shoot until they fall down.
That's it. The one in the middle won't fall. Alright, take a side picture and make ready.
I bet I got something. I say, I bet I got something at home that will.
I know.
Amazing what a 12 gauge slope is.
Yep. I just bought me a new Remington V3.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Shooter ready?
Yeah.
Stand by. Got it. Empty. Got it, missed it. High hammer. Holster. It's right over there.
Alright.
2270.